Here's a quick tutorial on how to get into the conference room for January the 8th. What you'll do is you'll click on the link that was sent to you in an email, or you can type it in manually. I'm going to go into the computer science room. What will happen is you'll be asked to enter either as a guest or with a login. What you would do is enter as a guest, so my name will be Jane Doe. Enter the room. This shouldn't take very long. At this point, you may be prompted to install an add-in. Ideally, you will be joining with Internet Explorer on a PC. If you try and join with Chrome or with Firefox, you should get to this point, but you may see a pop-up somewhere that's adding you to install an add-in. What will happen is if you're at the school doing this, you may not be able to install that add-in. There is some sort of block on it. So that would prevent you from seeing the material on the screen here. So use Internet Explorer, or if you prefer using another browser, make sure that you have tried this at home and installed the add-in. Now, in terms of how to use this page, you'll have your presenters and your hosts up here in yellow. You will be participants. You can't control what you see here in the middle of the screen, but you can use the chat room. Now, the format of the meeting may look a bit different. It may look something like this. It may look like this, where there may be a presenter presenting by camera, and there may be a collaboration session where you would see a whiteboard or a PowerPoint presentation. You may also see the camera. So I'll show up on camera on the other account. And if you would like speaking rights, what you do is you raise your hand. You'll notice that on the lower left corner of your screen you have a raise hand icon. And so what will happen is the presenters will see, they'll get a pop-up that will allow them to give you microphone rights. You may also ask the presenter to speak louder or to slow down, and a number of other options you see here. And then you can clear your status, although it will clear on its own automatically. So the chat room is here. If you would like to send a message to somebody privately, you can send it to all presenters, or you can send it to one of the presenters individually. So not everybody would see what you have here on the screen. It's as simple as this. To get out of the meeting, all you need to do is to close it. Before you do the speaking, you may want to check your settings here and go into your audio setup wizard. That'll bring you through this. I won't go through it because I'll lose my microphone rights here, but you just go through the motions here and you make sure that you select the correct microphone. You can use the microphone on your computer. Ideally, you'll have headphones as well instead of using the speakers. Unless you are alone in a classroom, then it should work pretty good. That's the end of this quick tutorial. You should be good with this. Enjoy your day on January 8th.